Welcome to the session. In our everyday life, in many situations, we use logical statements like yes or no, true or false. Since these logical statements has only two possible values and it can be represented by binary system of logic, that is 0 and 1. A great mathematician scientist by the name George Boole suggested a mathematical system for formulating logical statements with symbols. Hence, any problem can be written and solved like an ordinary algebra called the Boolean algebra, also called as the switching algebra. The symbols used for solving logical statements are called logic gates. So a logic gate is a electronic circuit used to make the logical decision. The three basic gates are AND gate, used to perform the logical multiplication operation. OR gate is used to perform the logical addition operation. NOT gate is used to perform the complement or the negation operation. These three gates are called the basic gates because these three are the basic building blocks for the digital circuitry. Now let us consider the logic symbol, truth table, and the logical expression for the AND gate. The truth table is the tabular relation between the input and output variables is called truth table. So this is the logical symbol for the AND gate. AND gate is used to perform the logical multiplication operation. So a logic gate is one in which it consists of two or more inputs and only one output except the NOT gate. The NOT gate has only one input and one output. So since there are two inputs, let us construct the truth table and one output. This is why the inputs are AB. For n inputs, we can generate 2 to the power of n outputs. So 2 square, the different combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So perform the multiplication. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1 is 1. So from the truth table, it is clear that if any one of the input is at logic low, the output is at logic low. Therefore, from the truth table, the output is at logic 1 when all the inputs are logic 1. So therefore, the AND gate is also called as the OR gate. And the second one is the OR gate. OR gate is used to perform the logical addition operation. Again, it may consist of two or more inputs and only one output. So this is the logical symbol. Let us take the inputs as X and Y and the output is A. The logical expression is X plus Y. So let us take the truth table. The inputs are X and Y. The output is A. This is output and this is input. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Since we are performing the Boolean addition, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Whereas in case of binary addition, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. And in the binary addition, 1 plus 1 is 1. And the next basic gate is NOT gate. A NOT gate is used to perform the negation operation or the complement operation. So the input is A, the output is Y equal to A bar. That is the input, this is the output. The input is A and the output is Y. So if the input is 0, output is 1. And if the input is 1, the output is 0. The complement operation or the negation operation can be obtained using the NOT gate. And the other gates are the NAND and the NOR gate. The NAND and NOR gate are called the universal gates. So this is the logical symbol for the NAND gate. A and B are the inputs. A dot B whole bar. So this is the logical expression for NAND gate. And NOR gate, A and B are the inputs. The function Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. That is the complement of the OR operation is NOR. The complement of the AND operation is the NAND gate. NAND gate and NOR gate are called universal gates because any logical function can be implemented using the NAND and NOR gates. Now let us perform all the basic gate operations using NAND gates. Since the NOT gate has only one input and one output, and the NAND gate may have two or more inputs and only one output, you are going to short both the terminals. So if the input is A, the output is A bar. So in order to do the analysis, now let us consider the rules in Boolean algebra. The addition rules are 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So this is the R function. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1 AND function. And the basic rules are A plus 0 equal to A plus 1 equal to 1. Let us take here A equal to 0, 0 plus 1 which is 1. Again if we take A equal to 1, 1 plus 1 which is equal to 1. In case of binary addition, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Whereas in case of Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is 1. Now let us consider some of the laws. A plus A is A, called the idempotence law. Idempotence or idempotent law. The meaning of idempotent is if a variable is added by itself or if a variable is multiplied by itself, the value remains the same. And the complementary property A plus A bar is equal to 1. Then A into A bar is equal to 0. And A double complement is A, called the involution property. Absorption law, A plus AB which is equal to A, because the common term here is A. If you take A, 1 plus B, 1 plus anything is 1, so which is A. Here one of the variable is absorbed, hence this law is called the absorption law. The commutation law is x dot y is equal to y dot x. Distribution law is x plus yz is equal to x plus y into x plus z. The duality property can be obtained by changing the dot operator to the plus operator and the plus operator to the dot operator. Now let us implement all the basic gate operations using NAND gate by making use of these rules what we have discussed. So first, NAND as NOT gate. Since the NOT gate has only one input and one output, and the NAND gate may have any number of inputs, only one output. So this is the logical symbol for NOT gate. So we are going to short both the terminals of the NAND. So A, since here A into A is A, since there is a bubble, it is A bar. Then you are going to write the De Morgan's law. The De Morgan's law is A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar, and A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So you can remember easily, break the line, change the sign. Break the line and change the sign. However, the complicated is the Boolean expression. If you remember this statement easily. So now to implement the NAND gate as the AND operation. Now, what is the AND gate output is AB. So in order to obtain AB, so we are going to take the double complement. If we take the double complement, it does not violate the law because the basic law is A double complement is A. So now, first take the NAND gate. The output of the NAND gate is AB. Here you will get AB bar. So how many complements are there here? Two complements. So now we are getting the one complement. Again, take the complement for this. So now we'll get AB double complement, which is nothing but AB. Now let us implement the OR operation using the NAND gate. Now apply the D. The waste. So you are going to start bar, B bar, A bar plus B bar whole bar. Apply the De Morgan's law. A double complement into B double complement, which is nothing but AB, the multiplication operation, and the OR operation. Take the De Morgan's law. So AB, this is A plus B whole bar. Again, take the complement. Since our aim is to obtain A plus B, so A plus B double complement, which is nothing but A plus B. So hence, the NAND and NOR are called any logical function using NAND and NOR. The AND gate function can be realized by using the switches connected in series And the OR gate function can be implemented using the switches when they are connected in parallel. Now next consider the exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate. The name exclusive OR gate because it excludes the output when both the inputs are same. This is xy, a equal to x xr with y. That is, you can rewrite this as x bar y plus x y bar. So this is the expression for the exclusive OR gate. So let us construct the truth table. X, y are the inputs. The output is x bar y plus x y bar. This is the output, the input. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So now substitute the values. 0, if we take x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. So now 0 bar is 1 into 0 plus 0. Y bar is 1 into 0 bar is 1. So 0 into 1 is 0. So again 0 into 1. So x bar is 0 bar is 1. Y is 1 plus x is 0. Y bar 1 bar is 0. So 1 into 1 is 1. Again, so let us take x as 1. 1 bar is 0 into 0 plus x is 1. Y bar is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. And 1 into 1 x bar is 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0 which is 0. So this is the expression that is x xr with y. The name exclusive OR because it excludes the output when both the inputs are same. Both the inputs are same. The exclusive OR gate basically used to compare the two numbers. And the next one is the exclusive NOR gate. If you insert the bubble at the output side of the XOR gate, which is equivalent to the XNOR gate, the output expression for the XNOR gate is y equal to A XNOR B. That is, the expression is A bar B bar plus AB. So this is the logical expression for the exclusive NOR gate. The XOR NOR gate. Let us construct the truth table. For XNOR, A and B are the inputs. Output is Y is A XNOR B. That is, you can remember easily, the complement of XOR is XNOR. That is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. You get 1 0 0 1. So the XNOR gate is also called as equality comparator because when both the inputs are same, the output is 1. So now let us take the combinational logic circuit. Basically, the digital circuits can be classified into a combinational and a sequential logic circuit. A combinational logic circuit is one in which the output depends only on the present values of the input. There is no memory, there is no feedback in the combinational logic circuit, and the design is very simple in the combinational logic circuit. Some of the examples for the combinational logic circuit is adders, subtractor, multiplexer, demultiplexer, etc. So now let us consider an off adder. An off adder is a combinational logic circuit used to perform the addition of two binary values and the output is sum and carry. So let us take the off adder, the inputs and the output. Let us take the inputs as A and B. The output is sum and carry. Used to perform the addition of two binary values 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So perform the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, carry 0, 0 plus 1 sum is 1, carry 0, 1 plus 0 sum is 1, carry 0, 1 plus 1 is here we are performing the binary addition 0 with a carry of 1. So once if you know how to construct the truth table, the truth table is the tabular relation between the input and the output variable. Once if you know the truth table, how to construct the sum of product expression is consider those cases in which the output is at logic 1. 0 refers to the complemented form. 1 refers to the uncomplemented form. So for the case 0, 1 and 1, 0, the output is at logic 1. For these two cases, the output is at logic 1. 0 refers to complement, 1 refers to the uncomplemented form. So some expression is A bar B plus A B bar. And the carry expression is the output is 1 when both the inputs are 1. The carry expression is AB. So even you can write the sum expression as A XOR B. Once if you know the truth table and the logical expression, we can construct this using the logic gates. So some expression is A bar B plus AB bar and the carry expression is AB. So let us construct using the basic gates. The basic gates are AND, OR and the NOT gate. So let us construct the logic diagram using basic gates. This is AB. The sum expression is A bar means NOT gate and B used to perform the you are going to perform here the logical multiplication operation. So AND gate is used. Similarly, A, B bar, AND gate and both are given to the OR gate since the plus symbol is there. So this is the sum expression and the carry expression is AB. So we are going to make use of the AND gate. So this is the carry expression is AB and the sum expression is A XOR B. And even you can construct using XOR gate, that is A XOR B. The sum expression is S is equal to A XOR B and the carry expression is AB.